Today in this session we will be studying about the water quality parameter pH, that is potential of hydrogen. It indicates the concentration of hydrogen ion in water or solution. It helps to determine whether water or solution is neutral, acidic or alkaline. It is measured on the 0 to 14 scale. 0 to 14 scale, some of substances having the pH like battery acid is having pH 0 to 1, soft drink pH is 3, coffee pH is 5, milk 6.5, pure water pH is 7, human blood is 7.4, ammonia solution is having pH 11 and bleach is having pH 12 to 13. Drinkable water have the pH between 6.5 to 8.5. The specification is given in IS 10500-2012. Water molecule consists of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. Not all the water molecules get fraction. About in 50.5 million water molecules, few molecules get disassociated, forming hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ion. The product of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion is known as ionization constant. In physical chemistry, concentration of cations, that is H plus ion, concentration of anion, that is OH minus ion, concentration of undissociated molecules, that is ES2O, is a constant that is known as ionization constant Kw. Since we can consider H2O as unity, then Kw will be hydrogen ion and product of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ions. We know that per liter hydrogen ion is 10 to the power minus 7 gram ions per liter, and hydroxyl ion OH minus is also 10 to the power minus 7 gram ions per liter, or we can say also mole per liter. Hence Kw will be 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 to the power minus 7, that is 10 to the power minus 14. Now taking the log of Kw is equal to log of H plus ion into OH minus ions. We can say log Kw value is derived as 10 to the power minus 14, 10 to the power minus 14 is equal to log H plus ion plus log to the base 10. Always there will be base 10 OH minus ions. Log 10 to the power minus 14 can be written as minus 14 equal to log to the base 10 H plus ion plus log to the base 10 OH minus ion. Taking minus this side, 14 is equal to log minus log 10 to the base 10 H plus minus log to the base 10 OH minus, this can be written as log to the base 10 1 upon H plus ion plus log to the base 10 1 upon OH minus. Since taking minus this side, this minus will become minus log H plus is a pH and minus log OH minus is POH. So we can say pH plus POH is equal to 14. Since water is neutral, hence H plus ion and OH minus ion will be equal to 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. Water to be neutral, the H plus ion and OH minus ion should be equal, and that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. hence pH 7 is a neutral, and the water is between 6.5 to 8.5 for the drinkable water. We can solve through one example. The measurement pH values of incoming and outgoing waters at water treatment plant are 7.3 and 8.5 respectively. Determine average pH of water assuming linear variation of pH with time. So we know that from one pH to another pH is 10 times. So we cannot just add 7.3 plus 8.5 divided by 2 will be the average. The concentration, the average concentration of ions will be the average pH value of the water. pH 7.3, we can very well write it as log of 7 pH 7.3 is log of 1 upon 10 to the power minus 7.3. pH2 can be written as log of to the base 10 log of 1 upon 10 to the power minus 8.5. This average, this is 1 upon, we can say 1 upon H1 plus, and this is 1 upon S2 plus. So the average ion will be H1 plus S2 divided by 2. Now we know the H1 is 10.7.3, 10 to the power minus 7.3 plus 10 to the power, S2 is 10 to the power minus 8.5 divided by 2. Now solving this, we can get H average. Taking 10 minus 8.5 out, we get 10 minus 7.3 divided by 10 to the power minus 8.5 plus 1. Now further solving, we get 10 to the power minus 8.5. 1, this will go up, so it will become 10, 8.5, 10 minus 7.3 plus 8.5 plus 1. Now 10 to the power minus 8.5, 10 to the power 1.2 plus 1. We can solve 10 to the power 1.2 will be equal to 10 to the power 1.2 will be equal to 15.84. So then H average will be this 10 to the power minus 8.5 we have taken out, 15.84 plus 1 divided by average 2. So it will become 10 to the power minus 8.5, 15.84 plus 1, 16.84 divided by 2, it will become plus 1 divided by 2, it will become 8.42. Now we know that pH has come 10 to the power minus 8.5 into 8.42, and pH average will be log of 1 upon HAB, putting this value 1 upon 10 to the power minus 8.5 into 8.4, and solving we get pH average 7.57. So the average pH for this water supply will be 7.57. It is between 6.5 to 8.5, hence it is drinkable. So with this we have solved what is pH, how to find it out. In the next video, how to test the pH value, how to determine the pH value, we will study. Thank you.